this is my second day doing my 30-minute intense workout on my new treadmill. I need to lose 10 pounds to gain my goal. I weigh 130, and for my height, that sucks because I am only 5 feet tall. I'm supposed to weigh 108, but I am looking to weigh 120. So come join me and let's do this. Okay guys, let's do this. Let's lose those 10 pounds. We're gonna do the 30-minute workout, which is number 5. So here we go. Hey guys, I just finished working out. So you can see my sweat. I'm super sweating. 30 minutes, I need to lose 10 pounds. Let's do this. I am super tired. 30 minutes intense workout again. And I hope you guys get inspired by this video, and I'm gonna keep vlogging. So all you moms out there, know that it's never too late to work on yourself and, you know, look and feel beautiful from the outside. I'll see you guys till next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.